guys, welcome to yet another video. Today I just want to show you like a quick light setup that I'm using to shoot. There, the model. There, you guys should check out. I think she's been on my Instagram page, sorry, my YouTube page once. It's not like I want to put her on again, but yeah. So today
he wants to be on again.
Today we're using a 2 light setup. So we have this Outdoot P120L softbox that I'm using like for the first time for a proper shoot, and I kind of like it, but I'll talk about it again later. Then I have it on the C stand, obviously. Have it on the C stand. If you don't have this, definitely get one. They last forever and they're great. Then we have like this huge reflector because Lex misplaced the smaller one. Yeah, I blame it on him.
That's not true.
We'll cut that part out. Misplaced small one. Then I also have this right here. Okay, so basically my main light is a Godox AD600 Pro, and my it's kind of like a hair light because you know the whole shoot is like pretty dark, like the mood of the photo shoot is dark. So I have this which is like a hair light. So this is the AD200 and I have it on the snoot, so the head so the light does not spill out. So I'll definitely show you guys that. And that's it. We're actually going to feather this light right here on our model so the light does not spill on the background. At the same time, the light is like pretty soft on our model and it's not creating harsh highlights or extremely dark shadows. Also, we still have that reflector that we've used pins to hold. See, this just shows that you don't have to be a rich photographer to take great images. So if you guys want to help us, help this ministry, send us money!
Yes, account number will be on the screen.
Exactly. We'll put that account number. If you're in the States, don't worry, we have PayPal. Just send us this money. Yeah. So basically that's the shoot. I'm sweating now. Oh, my camera. I'm shooting with the Canon 85mm Mark 4, which is not mine, and a Canon 70-200, which is mine. Before that, we did a photo shoot outside where I shot with the Canon 85mm Mark 4, then the 85mm 1.2, and I also shot with the Prism for the first time. So I could not do a video about that because I don't know how to use a Prism like very well. Yeah, so this is the thing that we shot with.
That's what you call Prism.
Yeah, so you just put it in front of your lens like this and it makes like some nice flares. So yeah, I'll just put all these pictures on the screen so you guys can see both the before and after images. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the behind the scenes. That's there. She's a beautiful model. CCOK, Lagos. Look at it.
2013. She never win.
2013. Beautiful model. You guys definitely check out Instagram page.
Yeah,
and this is the Lex Ash
stylist.
This was our creative director today for this shoot. So just in case the images do not look great.
At least I'm not the one shooting.
Yeah. So yeah, that's our light setup. Just want to show you guys the 2 light setup I was using for today's shoot.
Subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.